Big fish. Big fish, big fish.
Very lucky.
Fish. Ultralight, ultralight. Ano kayang isda ito? Sa malaki to, malaki. Garading malaki isda to. It's not stingray. If stingray, it will stuck. Bilisan mo kasi sasabit yan. Sasabit yan, bilisan mo. This is big fish. See, only you need patience. Ha? It will come. Need slow. Because small line, small hook. Ah, it's there, very far. See? Very far. It will be tired. It will come. Yan, kuhanin mo na yung panghook ko doon sa bulsa ng bag. Sa bulsa ng bag, yung panghook. Tapos bumaba ka na.
Malapit na ba?
Mga 1 kilometro na lang to.
Ultralight rod.
Yeah, ultralight rod. Bend. The bend. Ah, pusa. May ano pa doon, oh, may tawag nito, may pawikan.
Pawikan siguro. Yan siguro yun.
Hindi, andun eh.
Oh, baka yan.
Maybe. If stingray, it will not come. Nandiyan na, nandiyan na.
Nasabitan.
Hindi. Ah, remove your line.
Ayun o, kumakagat yun. Ah, baka sumabit. Sumabit na, no?
Oo, inaabot niya yun.
Malapit na rin, di ba?
Ano ba to? Taas. Remove your line. Repay, remove your line.
Banyak, mo na lang mati. Sana gawin na ba? Pare kaya? Mamin fish?
Yeah. Very big fish. Very big.
Come in. Come in, what is
Still far. Still far.
come in here.
Layo pa yan.
Reply and remove already?
আর একটু মানে আসলে লাগে গেছে চিংড়ি
No. No, no stingray. See there, huh? Jumping.
চিংড়ি নো জাম্পিং মিল্ক ফিশ
Okay, again.
Stingray?
Ewan ko lang.
Stingray yan.
Yung stingray ito, hindi naman ito sasama basta eh.
This small stingray.
Maybe.
2 kilo. They have too much stingray.
No, this crocodile.
Dinosaur.
See, very good line, ha?
Hamor, hamor. Hamor one time pa din. अरे इधर से ना उधर से
Maliit lang yung hook mo na yan eh. Yung hook na yan
वो
eh.
तो हुक
Yung tinatap natin yung kagabi. Yan eh, maat sila eh.
मत बहुत दूर है बोर्ची छोटा बोर्ची है ना इसके लिए आराम से खेल रहा है
Grabe yung
See, there, ha?
Stingray.
Ah.
stingray.
Yes.
Nandiyan na ako, malapit na. Ano, putulin ko na? Ah, putol na. Galas. Yeah.
Stingray, big one ha. Gago, kinakain din pala ng stingray yun.
Oh.
Nakatakas na.